Hello, everybody. Welcome back for your week 23 of PE. I hope you had a great weekend. Hope you got to watch the Super Bowl. Hope your team won. If not, that's okay. Hope you enjoyed watching the game. So, we are continuing on with our pickleball this week. So, things are becoming harder and harder to find for you to do online that has to do with pickleball. So, I will keep plugging away and trying to find things that you haven't done yet as we continue with our pickleball. So today your warm up is the Would You Rather Valentine's edition. We know that Valentine's is on Sunday. So this will give you something different to do and get ready for that while getting in some exercise. And then after you do that, you're going to do this pickleball drills. And this talks about some drills that you could do if you have a pickleball and a pickleball paddle. Many of you may not have that, as we've talked about in the past weeks. So use your modified paddle, maybe one that you've made, tennis racket, badminton racket, whatever you can use at home to simulate what they're doing. And just know that that you're using different equipment than what would be used in pickleball. So you're going to go through and practice some of these. Sometimes they ask you to use a wall. Remember, you might want to be outside, but of course, make sure you have guardian approval. And if you need to work inside, use something like a sock ball or something like that. So make sure you continue to modify for safety in the area that you're practicing. In class, we are working on volleying with a partner and rally scoring. So again, it's hard to give you exactly the same thing that we're doing because you need a partner. So hopefully these drills will help you and continue to keep you up to where we are at in the classroom. If you finish that and you still have time, I want you to move over to, you can actually do either one of these. This is a scavenger hunt that you do around the house where they give you a picture of some items and a time limit, and you have to go touch those items. You don't have to bring them back, you just have to touch them in the given time. So you can try that if that interests you. Or I did a Valentine's Day trivia that you can check out and just kind of see what you know, don't know, learn some new things. Okay. So that is what you're going to do this week for PE. So I hope you have a good time and enjoy the various activities. I hope you have a great Valentine's Day on Sunday. Remember to have your sweet treats in moderation, small amounts. And I look forward to seeing you again next week with some more pickleball ideas and activities. All right, well, have a great week, rest of your week, and I will see you next week. Bye.